Best deals.
1. Paniyaram Pan is a versatile kitchen essential, crafting a variety of snacks from traditional up to aloo bonda, paneer kebabs, and more, all in minutes. Enjoy healthier, tastier, and crispier meals without the need for artificial coatings. Its ability to retain heat ensures even cooking and delicious results every time. This pan comes pre-seasoned with vegetable oil. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Spices Jar. Crafted from premium-grade stainless steel, the box for kitchen is a durable and corrosion-resistant solution for your spice storage needs. With multiple compartments, the steel spice box for kitchen allows you to organize a variety of spices. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Storage Box. Have 4 compartment, it can put a variety of foods together without confusion in kitchen or fridge or refrigerator. You needn't to take them separately in your cupboard, you can get it all at once when you want to get sugar, nuts, biscuits. Freely removable partition will make the food storage containers rational usable. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Brush. Superior quality dense bristles specially flagged at ends for cleaning even minute dust particles. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Towel Rod. Has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Hang bath towels, clothes, napkins in your bathroom with this towel hanger. Hang microfiber dusting clothes, kitchen napkins, towels and more in your kitchen with this towel stand. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Pan. Includes a grill appam patra, pizza pan and multi-snack maker. Featuring grill grids and comes with a stainless steel lid. Outer layer is coated with hammer tone coat to resist overheating. This combo set will become a family treasure for generations. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage Bag. Is made up of PVC material. The bag provides complete protection from dust, moths, moisture, and rain. You can store them for long periods of time without acquiring dust, water and moisture, perfect for those not so frequently used items in your household. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cookware Set. Enhance your cooking experience with Atalsa equipped with a tough and durable Tripoli construction. Designed for longevity and optimal performance, this Tripoli configuration offers even heat distribution. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Coffee Cup. Features a spacious, transparent top compartment designed to keep your nuts, granola, or fruits separate from the liquid base. This ensures your toppings stay crunchy and fresh until you're ready to mix and eat. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Turner Spatula. Featuring a slotted steel handle, this Turner dosa spatula offers a comfortable grip, making it ideal for flipping dosas, omelets, and rotis effortlessly. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Squeezer. Is made with ultra-strong high-quality alloy, with the perfect metal composition for no corrosion or rusting and unbreakable tank status. Watch limes, lemons and even oranges beg for mercy even with a soft squeeze of the hand. It will last literally a lifetime. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glass Jars. Enhanced by a natural wooden lid and jute chain, adding both elegance and a touch of rustic character. Airtight seal, ensures freshness and preserves the flavor of stored items. Versatile kitchen storage, ideal for storing snacks, fried foods, masalas, spices, pickles, cookies, and more. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Rack. Comes with 3 storage compartments which allow you to organize the space for toothbrush accessories, 4 hanging hooks, with small size. Drain holes in the bottom of each container for water flow. This storage stand is crafted of hard solid plastic and has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Choppers. The non-skid feet on this mandolin fold in for compact storage and it is dishwasher safe for your convenience. There are julienne, Slice and waffle cutting options with 4 slicing thicknesses that vary from 1 mm, 3.5 mm, 5.5 mm and 7.5 mm. The folding handle and non-slip feet of the vegetable slicer make it comfortable to use and easy to fold and store. The blade does not require extra space for storage and is super easy to clean under running water. Strength, simplicity and safety inspired the design of our professional mandolin. From delicious gratins to delicate julienne carrots, our professional mandolin is a necessity in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Chopper. Small but powerful device includes bowl, removable sharp stainless steel blade and cover with handle, insert food, secure top and push easy grip handle for fast results. Blades and bowl are top rack dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Ghee jar. Specially designed for you to store oil and ghee. The set is complete with spoons to scoop out the contents in each jar. Featuring food-grade stainless steel, which gives them a bright and elegant look. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Vacuum cleaner. Comes with both home and car wireless options for its handheld vacuum cleaner. With powerful suction and long-lasting battery life, you can conveniently use it whenever and wherever you need. Cordless vacuum cleaner boasts a robust motor with impressive suction power, effortlessly removing various types of dirt, including hair and fine dust, to ensure your floors stay clean. Please note that it is suitable for dry use only. Switch between suction mode for messes and blower mode for quick dusting. Clean cars, homes, offices, carpets, tiles, and upholstery effortlessly. Weighs less than 1 kg for fatigue-free handheld use. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures 30+ minutes of runtime. Space-saving design for easy storage in bags, drawers, or car trunks. Adjust between fast for deep clean and slow for light debris is needed. Illuminate dark corners, car interiors, or under furniture while cleaning. This portable vacuum cleaner includes a crevice nozzle, brush tool, and extension hose for various cleaning tasks. Rapid charging. With the latest fast charge technology and advanced rechargeable batteries, this compact vacuum reaches a full charge in just 2.5 to 3 hours, delivering approximately 22 minutes of runtime. Actual runtime may vary based on the cleaning load. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Drainer basket. The stainless steel dish drainer is heavy in build and highly durable. Rack is a small size rack, suitable for small family. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Kettle. Equip your inner barista with this pour-over coffee kettle. Use this gooseneck kettle to make delicious pour-over coffee in your home like a pro. Please note that this kettle holds 1.2 liters, but we recommend to boil 1 liter at a time, to avoid overflow when boiling. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Cooker. The rice paddle locks the lid securely in place and transforms into 2 easy grip handles, making it comfortable and safe to carry. This smart ladle holder for kitchen use adds versatility and stability, perfect for microwave use and kitchen tools that prioritize functionality and compact storage. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Glass jug. Ideal for serving juice, water, cocktails, mocktails and much more. Anti-drip spout, convenient to pour and integrated strong handle make it easy to hold, dispense and hand wash them. High capacity enough to serve your family or entertain your guests. This iced tea pitcher can be used for many types of beverages from iced water, hot tea, fruit-infused juices and so on. Makes a good gift choice and home decoration bonus. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Fan cleaner. Has retractable rod for adjusting lengths from approximately 30 to 100 inch, making it easy to access dusting brush without the need for chairs or ladders, making it perfect microfiber duster for home cleaning. Mop is removable, which makes cleaning and storing simple. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Oil dispenser. It meets the requirements of food contact management, is safe and has no peculiar smell, and can be directly loaded into edible oil for use. Reduce your carbon footprint through this environmentally friendly green product. Widely used for frying steak, grilling, baking, salad, air fryer and other home users to achieve atomized spraying. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Foil paper cutter. This innovative foil paper cutter and wrap holder dispenser can effortlessly accommodate one roll of plastic wrap, aluminum foil, or parchment paper, along with a paper towel roll. Enjoy the convenience of easy access while maximizing space on your kitchen countertop. Kitchen packaging organizer features a dual slot design with a built-in hidden sliding knife, ensuring clean and sharp cutting every time. For safety reasons, durable cutting machines are designed to prevent accidental injuries. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Dustbin. Easily dispose of waste without lifting a lid, perfect for hassle-free use and quick cleaning. Ideal for the kitchen, bathroom, and under sink, hang it on cabinet doors or use as a standalone bin. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, 100% food grade, and BPA-free, ensuring safety and durability. Equipped with a built-in handle for easy transport. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Steamer. Enjoy multifunctional steam therapy with a HealthSense steamer. Not just limited to cold and cough relief, it serves as a versatile tool for facial steam, inhalation therapy, and vaporization. Whether you are looking to rejuvenate your skin, clear nasal passages, or relax tired muscles. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Electric lunch box. You can enjoy warm, fresh, home-cooked meals right at your desk, ensuring your lunch breaks are relaxing and satisfying. Designed with advanced PTC heating technology, it warms your food evenly in just 25 to 35 minutes, allowing you to utilize your entire lunch break for yourself instead of waiting for a microwave. Carry a full Indian meal with rice, dal, sabzi, and chapati conveniently. Its spacious stainless steel container ensures each dish retains its flavor without mixing, keeping your meals fresh, hygienic and delicious. Never worry about messy spills in your office bag again. The securely sealed lid with silicone gasket prevents any leakage, making it perfect for daily commutes, long travel, or carrying liquid dishes like curries and dals confidently. Built with premium food-grade stainless steel, it keeps your food hygienic, odor-free, and safe from harmful chemicals, ensuring your health is never compromised even during your busiest days. Ideal for dal rice, sabzi roti, pulao, khichdi, noodles, oats, and gravies. 360 degrees steam circulation warms evenly, keeps food moist, and delivers fresh taste every time. Heat-resistant outer body with silicone handle makes it perfect for travel, hostel, and office use. A modern heated lunch box solution for professionals, students, and everyday tiffin users. A thoughtful and practical gift for men, women, boys, girls, students, teachers, husbands, wives, managers, and working professionals, ideal for birthdays, office gifting, travel essentials, and daily lunch needs. Equipped with a 200W heating element that efficiently heats and cooks your meals in no time. Features a 1.2-liter capacity, making it ideal for a wholesome single-serve meal at work or on the go. Inner container is crafted from SS304 food-grade stainless steel, ensuring safe and hygienic cooking. Supports multiple cooking modes including steamed rice, hot rice, stew, reserve, and insulation, all controlled via a digital display panel. Built-in dry heat protection safeguards the appliance, while the ergonomic carry handle makes it conveniently portable. The intuitive digital display panel offers multiple cooking modes including steamed rice, hot rice, stew, reserve, and insulation, giving you full control over your meal preparation. Built with food-grade SS304 material, it ensures your food stays safe and hygienic at all times. The dry heat protection feature adds an extra layer of safety during operation. Its multifunctional design allows you to steam, stew, and warm a variety of dishes with ease. The compact, portable build with a sturdy carry handle makes it convenient to take anywhere. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Food dehydrator. The food dehydrator removes excess water from foods without compromising their natural juices, taste, and nutrients, boasting a 97% retention rate of vitamins and minerals. Comes with 5 food-grade stainless steel height-adjustable trays that allow you to dry different foods, fruits, and veggies at once. The trays can be stacked with a clearance of 1.5 cm or 2.8 cm as per the thickness of the food. The dehydrator is equipped with a control panel that allows you to set a timer and adjust the temperature with a simple touch of a button. You can set the temperature between 35 degrees approximately 70 degrees Celsius and timer from 30 minutes 48 hours with 30 minutes interval, depending on your food dehydration requirements. To clean, simply remove the trays from the machine and wash them using soapy water. Inbuilt power saver function, consumes only 0.3–0.5 units per hour, helping you save electricity while ensuring efficient and consistent drying performance. 350 W high power performance, more wattage means a more powerful machine, delivering faster heating, stronger airflow, and quicker, more efficient dehydration. Temperature and time control, customize dehydration with a 35 to 80 degrees Celsius range and 1 to 48 hour timer to suit different foods. The food dehydrator gently removes excess moisture while preserving natural flavor, juices, and nutrients, ensuring up to 98% retention of essential vitamins and minerals. It fits perfectly in your kitchen while handling a variety of foods. Rotating airflow system, features an 180 degrees rotating tray designed for uniform heat distribution and consistent drying results. Premium build, made from stainless steel, ensuring sturdiness, safety, and long-lasting performance. Enjoy naturally sweet and tangy pineapple chips made with the Fathom 5 tray food dehydrator. Lock in flavor, color, and nutrients while achieving a crispy, preservative-free snack the whole family will love. Create homemade beef jerky with authentic taste and chewy texture. Perfect for high-protein snacking, the dehydrator removes excess water while retaining up to 98% of vitamins and minerals. Prepare colorful vegetable chips or dried veggie mixes. With adjustable trays in 80 degrees Celsius maximum temperature, you can preserve veggies for cooking, snacking, or garnishing, all while keeping their nutrients intact. Dry fresh tea leaves and herbs to make your own herbal teas and scented blends. Fathom's gentle air drying technology keeps the natural aroma, color, and health benefits intact. Product link is given in the 28th link.